anyone miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video where I talk about top mistakes that YouTubers make, especially when they're first starting out. So here you are. Let's get right into the first one, not focusing on your titles, your thumbnails, your description box, and your tags. Those are very, very important, especially when you're first starting out. The YouTube algorithm needs to know what your video is about. That way it can show it to the proper audience. So if you don't have a good and catchy title, or your thumbnail isn't that appealing, or your description box is pretty empty, or you don't have any tags attached to your videos, then the algorithm will not know who to show your video to or attract your ideal audience. I made several videos talking about tags and best practices when you are starting YouTube. I will link those videos in the description box and up above in the cards. Make sure you check them out when you get a chance. But I see a lot of new YouTubers and smaller YouTubers not paying attention to those things, and you have to pay attention to those things. Those are very, very important. Your title is very important. Your thumbnail is very important. Your description box, do not leave it empty. Don't put a few things in there and that's it, like one or two sentences and that's it. No, make sure it's filled out. Make sure your tags are filled out. Make sure everything is presentable, and then YouTube's algorithm will then know who to show your videos to. Let's jump right into the next mistake that I see a lot of YouTubers make. Waiting for the perfect equipment or waiting until you get the perfect equipment. Nothing is ever going to be perfect, so just use what you have. Use what you have, especially when you're first starting out. Use your phone. The phones nowadays have great camera and video quality. Don't underestimate that, especially when you're first starting out. If you don't have a ring light or if you don't have proper lighting, that's fine. Use natural sunlight. Film during the day or early in the morning when the sun is just coming out. That's a great way to get good lighting for your videos. Make sure you just use what you have. Don't worry so much about the perfect equipment and the perfect camera and the perfect settings. Don't worry about that. Just find a nice, clean, presentable space. Make sure you use natural lighting, and make sure your content is valuable and people will want to watch your videos. I cannot stress that enough. That is a big mistake that some YouTubers make, and certain things will come with time. So as you begin improving, then you can invest in a camera or invest in lighting or invest in audio. Those things will come in time, but when you're first starting out, it's so important to just use what you have. Now let's jump right into the next mistake I see a lot of YouTubers make. Not starting at all. I can't tell you how many comments I've read where a person was like, oh, I'm so scared, or I just don't have the confidence. Just make sure you start. There's no such thing as a perfect time for anything. So just use whatever time you have. Don't waste it and just start. You're gonna feel so much better about yourself. You're gonna become so much more confident over time when you just take the first step and start. Stop procrastinating, get to it, because this platform has plenty of room for you and everyone else. But the only way you're going to reach your success, or the only way you're gonna become more confident on camera, is if you just take the first step and start. I know it can be scary, and you're probably gonna be wondering, like, who are all these people that are gonna be watching my videos? What are they gonna say about me? Don't worry about any of that. Just focus and just start. Now let's jump into the last mistake that I see a lot of YouTubers make. Be yourself and try your best not to compare your journey with anyone else's journey here on the YouTube platform. I know some people may get it right straight out the gate. They have the right lighting, they have the right audio, they have the right camera, they have the right camera gear, they have everything right. They have their focus, they know their niche, and they just start and then boom, they take off. The algorithm rewards them and they just grow. But that is not everyone's story. That's not my story. That's not a lot of YouTuber stories, especially the bigger YouTubers that I'm pretty sure you all watch. That is not their story. It took years sometimes of practice and improving on each video before they even blew up, or some of them didn't even get a viral video and blow up. They had to just keep on going, and they gained subscribers little by little by little, and it took years. So don't compare yourself to anyone else's journey and just be yourself. No one likes a copy, everyone likes the original. So just be who you are, have fun with the journey, and focus and pay attention to your channel, and you will find success. Okay, that is it for this video. Those are all the mistakes that I hope you all avoid when you are making a YouTube channel, or if you are thinking about starting your YouTube journey. Make sure you just focus and have fun on the journey as well. It is fun. It's nice creating content for people, and when you all watch my videos and interact with me and engage with me in the comments or DM me on Instagram and tell me that you were happy about a product that you got that I recommended, it makes me feel so happy, and it lets me know that I am doing the right thing and to just continue. So I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news and me, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload every Wednesday, so I hope you see me there. And thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box down below, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!